Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about a feature many users ask about. Can you recharge international mobile phones using Cash App? Whether you're trying to top up a number abroad for family, friends or travel, let's break down what's actually possible inside Cash App and what's alternative you can use. Let's get started. Does Cash App support international mobile recharge? The answer is no. Cash App doesn't currently support international phone recharge directly through its app. Cash App is primarily designed for US and UK users with features focused on peer-to-peer payments, investing, cash card use, and direct deposit, while it allows limited international transfer between the US and UK. It doesn't offer mobile recharge option, either domestic or international at this time. What can you do internationally with Cash App? Let's quick look at the what's available international. Send money between US and UK Cash App accounts and use cash card abroad. You can use other cash card in support continues at 2% international fees applies unless you receive directly deposit, in which cash the fee may be waived. And recharge international phone not currently supported. You will need to use third party apps like Ding, PayPal or Remitly, and add fund using international card. Most foreign debit or prepaid cards are not accepted to add money to Cash App. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.